We're working. It's close. Got about 9 3D printed parts on there. Smoke, sound, chuff triggers. We didn't quite get as far as I wanted to, but we got pretty far. This is the first complete engine with all this stuff on it. I don't think it's going to be the last, but it's always fun to have the first. We have a LED headlight, DC can motor, fan-driven smoke, digital chuff. And there's the chuff. Almost see a smoking chuff. I just don't have these little AC motors just don't have enough to operate on that lower end. By the time you get the motor turning, that chuff is pretty well wound up as far as the smoke cycle. It's a good little runner though. That's a heavy mail car. I wonder if he can deliver the mail. You think he can? I don't know. I don't even know if he can even pick up the mail. He may not have enough poop. Let's see if we can get the mail. I might need an assistant. Want to push that mail button? Let's push it and hold it. This is one kind of low thing. There we go. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come. He's coming in now. He's coming in hot. Coming in about 19 volts. Let's see if we get the mail going. Can we get the mail going? I don't know. Is it wired up? Get it out! We got the mail! The mail is delivered. We're taking it to New York and we're going to bring back another bag. Holy cow! Model 001 from Frankentrain Labs has delivered the mail. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Delivered the mail. Okay, here we come. Let's see if they can drop it off. Get that button. Get that button. Here he comes. Let's see if we can get some mail. Here comes the New York mail delivery. He's coming through. He's coming hot. Oh, there's the mailbag. He threw it out. All right. We got the mail all the way from Illinois to New York and back. Holy moly. What a trip. Okay, gang. I guess that's about it. We better let this baby rest before it melts down. I'll take its pulse. There you go, Hunter. Just can't go that slow. Okay, well, that's as far as I could get, sadly, but exciting. I have packed more crap inside these 2 containers than you can believe. I even had one more piece I was trying to put on. I ran out of time. So anyway, there it is, a 1951 300 AC No, it never did have smoke. It never did have chuff. All it had was a headlight, and we still have a headlight. We got some fitting to do. We got a rail missing, but in general, it has a fan-driven smoke, 4 chuffs per rev, and chuff sound, and digital controls. Amazing. Okay, later. That's it. That's the show. Only took 4 months.